When you're homeschooling multiple children, it's easy to end up juggling separate planners, lessons, and reports all day. With one family account, everything stays organized in a single dashboard. Here, you can see Ava in year 2, Noah in year 5, and Mia in year 8 all at once, including their subjects, progress, and today's tasks. Click into Ava and you'll see beginner phonics and counting activities. Switch to Noah and his maths is ahead of level, while writing gets extra support. Then open Mia's profile, where she's independently completing advanced science. Every child follows a personalized learning path, even across different subject levels. From the same dashboard, you can quickly see who's working independently, who needs help, and what still needs completing. Reports and progress tracking stay separated for each child, without spreadsheets or paperwork. Your one-stop shop for Australian homeschooling. All subjects, all reports, all in one place. Visit iqlau.com.au. Plans start from just $39.90 per month with a 14-day free trial and no lock-in. Built by a local Queensland homeschooling dad for homeschooling families across Australia.